Pay attention, crypto gossipators. Things are about to get interesting. Remember, not financial advice.
Hey guys, what is up? Hope everyone is doing well. Hope everyone's having an amazing day because I am as usual. And ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. So the usual thing that I really like to do in these videos is actually, put out a point and discuss it, talk about it, because you as investors, you require information. You want to see the future. I mean, I can't give you guarantees, but I can make you think, analyze, and most likely make you a better investor because you'll be understanding what is going on. So currently we are in a very interesting situation because we are literally in a pre-Shibarium era. So we're so close to getting that Shibarium development. It gets released and we open up a new chapter and we can start really looking at different prices and everything. But before that, there's still time to go through. And although it seems like it's very, very close, I think it's very important for you to understand that right now, many people are looking at fundamental and technical analysis. So fundamental, I mean by all the information coming out, all the developments, all the economic stuff, and then the technical, okay, all the indicators, the lines, up, down, resistance, support lines. So I have being quite supportive sometimes of technical analysis, and I know some people that make money from technical analysis because they know how it's done and it works out for them. But guys, applying technical analysis right now in this period for bone can be a bit risky, because I've been talking to someone and they're like, well, the line is pointing to the fact that it's gonna stop at some point and then it's gonna go down. So they're just looking at purely at the technical analysis of bone. Now, in my opinion, they don't really look into any of the fundamental stuff. They ignore it, and the most important development will be playing out very, very differently. Okay, for everything that they have planned out in terms of technical analysis. And I think right now it's not very appropriate because, whatever the technical analysis is saying right now, I don't think it's taking, into account just how far, this line could go up once Shibarium comes out. It doesn't have a Shibarium date program. It's just based on these, lines, nothing, no other information on how it's reacting. And many points, some people are saying, well, just go to $2 and then drop again back below $1. That's when they look at technical analysis. Others are predicting slightly different things, but they don't take into account the big movement that we have, and it's almost like they don't care too much about it. So if you are into technical analysis, okay, you're reading or you're taking advice, be careful, because right now is a very, very hot moment. Okay, and I wouldn't be making too many moves in terms of selling, because you just don't know. Any moment anything can happen and it can explode. And if you just sell right now and you're trying to buy up cheaper, you might not have that opportunity, and I don't want you to lose out. So please be clever and be intelligent about the sort of moves that you're taking right now. It's hard to recover, and there's a lot of money to be made here, okay, a lot of money on the table. So if I was you, I would be very, very safe, okay, risk-free. Whatever you're holding, hold it, because we are waiting for that big development, and from then on you can make your decisions. But if you're trying to make a quick buck or whatever, careful, be very, very careful, because things are really starting to finish. I mean, look at the main developers like Satoshi Kusama calling this the summer of Shibarium, Lucy, big Shiba influencer, saying, hey, it's gonna come out very, very soon. We've got the other admins, developers also, speaking out, a lot of influencers talking about it. So I think it really is close. It really, really is close. What Shibarium is going to offer is insane. You know, the crypto space is going to be turned upside down. And so many projects are going to be jumping on this and building on it because they want to take advantage of the cheap transactions, quick, transparent, decentralized. You know, they want to build on something which they can have faith and trust in. And believe me, you know, the amount of information that is going to be provided in regards to Shibarium is crazy, okay? They will know every little detail about it. Once the world papers come out, I mean, there is so much to go through, and you will see how the prices react. You know, I like to call BONE the Shibarium token. The Shibarium token pretty much, you know, associated with Shibarium. BONE is Shibarium. If Shibarium does well, BONE does well. If Shibarium does badly, BONE does badly. So obviously, you know, it is gonna have a massive impact, and everybody is predicting Shibarium to be a great development. You know, there's a massive team hired to work on it. They've been working on it for very long. Also, they're paid in BONE, so they gotta make this work. They have no other choice. You know, like I've said in many videos, these guys could be making a ton of money developing blockchains, being paid in dollars, but they have decided, you know, to work in the SHIB ecosystem, okay? Give it their trust, their time, their love, everything. So of course they need it to go up because they want to be paid really well. They need a handsome reward for what they've done. So they will make sure that this goes up. So I think there's going to be a lot of money pouring in, especially from the projects that will be building on Shibarium, okay? The individual investors that managed to find this hidden gem, BONE, great for them, okay? Great stuff. I think, you know, if last year you invested at 0.3 like I did, you're bowling, you know, you're sitting here on crazy profits, crazy amounts of money. But I think in general, guys, things are working out, and it's very tempting to cash out for many of us because we're sitting on profits, but we're waiting because we know more is to come. Okay, we're hungry for the money because we understand that, you know, this world is so there's so much instability and there's so much inflation, and God knows what could happen. I mean, any second anything can happen. So it's better to, you know, be as greedy as possible and take as much as possible. Okay, and I don't mean sit there for years waiting to cash out. I mean, you know, wait for Shibarium, the big payday, you know, the day everybody celebrates. I'm waking up on the day Shibarium comes out as the best day ever and dancing, okay? And wait till you see how many videos I'm going to be producing, just literally screaming probably, because this is crazy for me. You know, I found a hidden gem. I'm looking at my portfolio, I'm seeing crazy profits. So why wouldn't I be excited about this, okay? So right now, like I've said, we've got the big news coming out, and I wouldn't focus too much on the technical analysis. I mean, looking at it, yeah, it looks like it could be breaking out, okay? And it will, but the technical analysis, if at any point it indicates it's gonna go down, guys, I can tell you right now, when Shibarium comes out, it's gonna be a game changer. No indicator can suppress Shibarium. No Bitcoin, no economic condition in the world, no law, no regulation, nothing. Shibarium is too strong. It's undefeatable. Okay, so if you have any thoughts in regards to technical analysis, let us know down below. Speak your mind, you know, share your opinions, your thoughts. Also, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notifications bell, and as usual, guys, a big thank you to everyone. I appreciate all the support, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.